Madam Honorable Beti Kamya, you were from opposition party and you also initiated your own party. But when you were appointed the minister, you crossed to NRM government. You did well with the KCC. Now, what is that challenge since you changed the docket to the IGG office that you are not doing well? Can you account for your action to Ugandans, the challenges you're facing with the IGG? There are numerous legal frameworks, numerous legal books meant to fight corruption, but to date, the NRM government has stunk and the corruption is menace. Madam, let me pose some questions. What fishing gears do you have? Is you gear for Ngege, Mfota, or sacks? Please don't deceive us. Start with fighting the sacks fish. If you are these fishing gears which is rampantly arrested by the UPDF, you better stop. Do the rightful. Assess all the buildings for individuals in this country. Find out how they got the money to build it. Check their salary scales vis-a-vis the assets they have. Then Ugandans will believe in what you're doing. Sort of that, just resign. I say this for God and my country.